a Lemony Cacio e Pepe. So cacio e pepe is literally translated cheese and pepper. So that's what this pasta is made out of. We'll let that pasta cook until just al dente. Now we want to build our sauce. Let's get that pot started, getting it nice and hot. I'm gonna get some butter in there. We want 4 tablespoons. I want to toast some pepper in here. So we want 2.5 teaspoons of freshly ground black pepper. I wish you could smell this. It smells so full and beautiful. While this is still warming up, I'm gonna grab the pasta, put it right to a pan next to it. Okay, you really need some pasta water. And you can see how gorgeous this water is. All that is the pasta starch. So we're gonna grab a couple ladlefuls. You're gonna put this in very gently because you're putting hot water into hot butter. This is the base of your cacio e pepe sauce. Now I'm gonna add in some lemon flavor. So we'll get some zest in to get a lot of lemon flavor. The zest really comes in handy because it's got the intense lemon flavor in it. What I want along with the zest is also the juice. Okay. We're gonna get the pasta in here and get all the butter flavor, all the pepper flavor all over this pasta. And while it's heating up, we're gonna start layering in some cheeses. I've got pecorino, which is a softer cheese, but it's a little bit more sharp, and Parmesan. I like adding in Parmesan because it's got that nice salty flavor to it. And we're gonna use all this cheese. It's called cacio, cheese and pepper. And the cheese is gonna help thicken up the sauce as well. Pecorino, we're building all the flavors right now in the pot. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of chive. You guys, it smells so good. It's a beautiful thickness. I love it. Can you hear that? That's cheesy. I think it's time to have a little bite. This smells like the perfect combination of beautiful, subtle pepper aroma, cheesy. Look, ooh, 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 ooh. I cannot wait to dig into this. A little more chive. I smell a little bit of lemon, a little more cheese in there, a little lemony cacio e pepe. Look at that. See the cheesy? That's so good. It's so cheesy. And there's this very light lemony flavor to it. Mmm. Mmm.